Ukuri kwa imirimo ime county ya Kisii gose Public Service Board niganya kwa bakigwa kuisiku kubwatikana amono kuna chagwe kikambiro kurengana amone board ikyu nigo yabiri ko bakego kogora ibintu birima minchaniri chiko kurengana amone kini Kenya kwa bakego kubwatukwa koru ase ekigambiro bono ababunge koru ase bunge ya county ya Kisii nigo bagokere igitambukirikyo nakote bono umugavana we county ya Kisii nigo anyoriri bagari abene yokorera abana inchibe county ya Kisii imirimo kubwatikana na epodi yukonyora ningo yabiri ekogocha goche ase umugavano yugoikania emirobiri ao ya magendero boigo na bari banyako bakobwa ikinekyo banyako bakoburi banyako bagocha amo na wika umugavano we county ya Kisii ange una intire ye moyo komokonya goikania amagendero goche asa bamenyi be county ya Kisii.
All members of the county assembly biyamona sega sibakoretengia tintageti kweva the legal team konye gushughulikira manganaya so finally ekineki arenge kotini kiaerire tagete kubasaba bari babwe kina bategerere basupport umugavana asoko implement ya agenda yaye naindege ntongo sabo umugavana ito members bari bagetusiko asenge nchiba kuneteri chiko onye kunyarikana ababere baiche onye mirimo yendeke rororo abasaini bagendera gukorera abantu baitu be county ya Kisii.
Today is a very happy day now that we are here because the service board that we as the assembly 6 months ago sent them home genuinely because they had messes that they had performed before in the county government. They petitioned the assembly. Yes, indeed, it is their constitutional right, and today it has been put to rest. Now that they have been sent packing, we urge them that they should cooperate with the government of the day. They support the incoming service board, and we expect so much from the service board that's coming. You know the message that they did, we don't expect them to meet you. We want to say that His Excellency the Governor has gotten a leeway today. He will now embark on serious business of doing what he's supposed to do to promote this great county.
Kamati yetu iliweza kufanya kazi nzuri, hata mahakama zimethibitisha na zimekubaliana ya kwamba kazi ambayo tulifanya ilikuwa kazi ya maana. Kwa kweli tumemaliza kama mwaka moja sasa hivi bila bodi ya huduma. Hii bodi ya huduma kuna wanafunzi ama kuna watu wengi ambao walikuwa wamemaliza, wengine walikuwa wanataka kuenda masomo, hawangeweza kuenda masomo kwa sababu hakukuwa na bodi ya kuwapa ruhusa ya kwenda. Kwa hivyo tuna furaha tele siku ya leo. Tunahimiza ama tunamsihi gavana aweze kuenda kwa haraka sana ili aweze kuweka bodi yenyewe katika kazi na ije kwenye kikao kule bungoni tuweze kupitisha bila kutisha, kwa sababu watu wetu wanaumia.
Abarimu baitonkorera bare mbaroreke parwa kyabo kyaerete department chonsipi paka nonye ne department una agriculture nonye nyagitari bakona kore ntubwati abakori gasi baisaine na cyumugambi simba mwatagitakore ekyagara no muntu bwa machiko tari kurikira abantu mbeo igoro atabwate committee eri kurika abantu rero siboirwe minto mwanya gitinge abakori gasi bari mokorera simba no muntu bwata mabera naba MC mwachorete bonsi Kisii county na abantu bwata mabera mbare tayari bune body yagosoa kerekerero kyo